Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start physics. In the physics I am going to start today vernier caliper. Now, what is vernier caliper? Vernier caliper is a measuring instrument that is used for the measurement of linear dimensions. It means vernier caliper is a measuring instrument or a device that is used for the measurement of the dimensions of an things. It is also used to measure the diameter of round objects like cylinder or ball. Like that, it is used to measure diameter with the help of measuring jaws. This is the diagram of vernier caliper. That's it. Now, let's see some parts of vernier caliper. This is fixed jaw. This can't move. This jaw will be not move. And these are external jaws which is used to measure diameter from externally, and these are internal jaws. If they given any question like this, here it will be like circles, two circles, and they will be asking to measure the diameter. You can measure the diameter of total circle by these external jaws and internal circle by internal jaws. And this is the locking screw to measure the measurement of that thing, so that this can be moved. This is called movable jaw, and this is the main scale. And next, this is the depth measuring probe. It means it can be used to measure the depth of an things. Like this, if anything is there, it can measure the depth. What is the depth of the thing? These are the parts of vernier caliper. Now, these are the some of the terms used in vernier caliper. Least count. Least count of vernier calipers is also known as vernier constant. It means the smallest number or 0.1 millimeter, like that. The smallest count of vernier caliper is called least count. It is also called as vernier constant. It is defined as this difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. It means it is the difference of this main scale division and this vernier scale division. It is the division of one main scale division and vernier scale division. It is mathematically given as vernier constant is equals to one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. When there is n number of divisions on the vernier scale which coincides with n minus 1 division on the main scale, the least count of vernier caliper is 0.1 millimeter. So this definition explains us about the least count. The least count of vernier caliper is 0.1 millimeter. Now, what is zero error? Zero error is defined as the condition in which measuring device registers a reading where there should not be any reading. It means some of the parts will be odd. After some months or after some years, the numbers will be erased, so that it's called as error. Zero error is like nothing error. The vernier caliper is alright, and zero error can be measured by actual reading is equals to main scale plus vernier main scale plus vernier scale minus zero error. It means the correct reading or the correct measurement can be measured by the main scale plus vernier scale and minus zero error. What the error will be given in the questions. Positive zero error. When the jaws of vernier caliper are closed, then the reading is positive away from the actual reading 0.00 millimeter. For the instance, it means positive error is when the vernier scale is closed, but also then if it is showing some error, then the error has some positive. Here let's take an example. If the reading after closing also is 0.8 millimeter, then the zero error is plus 0.8 plus 0.08 millimeter. Negative zero error. When the jaws of vernier caliper are closed, the reading is negative away from the actual reading 0.00 millimeter for instance. If the reading is 0.10 millimeter, then zero error is minus 0.10 millimeter. It means when it is closed but also it's showing some negative reading, then it's called negative zero error. Here if it is reading is 0.10 millimeter, then the zero error will be minus 0.10 millimeter. That's it. Thank you. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, that's Study to IT. Have a great day. Thank you.